Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to set up the snore detection feature using the Huawei GT3 Pro. The process to set up snore detection is quite lengthy, so I have broken it down into easy to follow steps. In saying that, let me show you some of the important things to note about the tutorial. Here is a list of important notes about the tutorial. You can pause the video so you can take a moment to read, otherwise let's discuss some of the things you need to know about the snore detection feature. There is only 4 things that you need to know about the snore detection feature. The first part is that you need access to your mobile phone's microphone. I will be showing you how to set that up in this video, just in case you are not sure if the microphone is set. Also, recording is a massive battery burner and you should connect the charger to your phone while recording. Also, while I have testing the snore detection feature, the experience is very different to the Huawei watches that I have tested. In fact, you get more tracking analysis in the Pro version only. You get more audio recordings, whereas the other Huawei devices such as the Huawei GT3 Active, Huawei Watch Fit series, and the Huawei Band 7 or 8 only records one audio file. I will explain what I mean at the end of the video. Lastly, start the snore detection using your watch. You must start the tracking by using your phone. There is quite a stuff to get through, so I will quickly discuss the key contents in this video. So here are the key contents of the video tutorial. Like I mentioned earlier, that the tutorial is very lengthy, and so this is how I am going to help you understand it a lot easier. I will be adding the timestamps into description in case you want to skip to areas that matter to you. Otherwise, let's start the first part of the tutorial, which is allowing permission to the Huawei Health app to access your mobile phone's microphone. Step 1. Press and hold your finger on the Huawei Health app icon. When you do it successfully, you should see something like this on the screen. To access permissions, select the information icon. Step 2. Select permissions as shown. Step 3. Scroll down and select the microphone option. Step 4. You are now presented with 3 different options. Select the top option. And now Huawei Health can record you sleeping using the phone's microphone. Now let's begin the next tutorial, which is to set up snore detection. Step 1. Open Huawei Health app. Step 2. Select sleep tracking. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Record your sleep. Step 4. You should see a screen like this. Press and hold the Go to Sleep button. You should see a timer counting down from 3 seconds. Continue to hold until the timer reaches 0. You also have the option to play white noise in the background when you go to sleep. Select the play button to activate. When snore detection is done correctly, there are 2 things that you need to look out for. The first one is seeing the microphone icon turn green. This is to indicate that your phone is actively recording and storing onto the Huawei Health app. The second one is the button indicating hold to end. This means that the mobile phone recording times when snoring is detected, which is handy information to have. The setup part is now complete, and now let's begin the next tutorial, which is how to access snore detection results. Step 1. Press and hold to end button. Step 2. Once you end the sleep tracking, you should see a prompt showing. Select the option that best suits your sleep. Now this ends the sleep recording. Now I show you where the results are stored. Step 3. Open the Huawei Health app. Step 4. Select sleep tracking. Step 5. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen to view your latest snore detection results. There is a lot of information on the screen, so I will explain each detail so you know what to expect if you decide to use this feature. Now that you know how to find your snore detection results, I think it's important to explain what you see and share my experience when using this feature because sleep quality is important to me. The first part I want to draw your attention to is the first part, and you will find that the device can detect sleep talking and snoring. You can flip between options, and you would find the recordings for either option. Sleep talking is not very accurate. I can hear the TV going in the background in the other room, and the device detected that as sleep talking. The second part is the timeline and recording audio of sleep talking or snoring. The timeline part tells you at what time you started to snore or sleep talk. With the Huawei GT3 Pro, you can get more audio files in comparison to other Huawei devices such as the Watch Fit series or the Band series. There is a limit when it comes to recording your snore or sleep talking tracking. The audio files are very large files, and the Huawei Health app can only store a few audio files. For example, the audio file capacity may be full during the first 2 hours of your sleep, and the device will not track the remaining sleep, so I just wanted to share my experience in this part. The third part is ambient noise. In order to get quality sleep, it's a good idea to track your sleep environment, because it can cause some effect to your sleep. In the graph you see, my environment is very good. I had the fan going so you can see the noise level of the fan is quite low. You will also see a large spike right at the end of my sleep, which was the dog barking outside right before my alarm went off. Blood oxygen and skin temperature tracking is done independently. So there you have it, the tutorial is now complete and I hope you found this article useful. For more information about the Huawei GT3 Pro you can go to my website www.smartwatchicon.com. I will leave a link in the description. Like, share and subscribe to the channel for more future videos. Thank you.